Welcome back to Pega Power Up. Today we are going to see a keyboard shortcut to find the instance key of any role with a use case. If you open any access group, you would have not noticed any rule set associated with it because this is a data instance. Then how will you promote an access group to higher environment? It is just with the help of an instance key. You have to add the instance key to the product role. How will we find the instance key? Generally, if we click on the actions, you can go to the view XML option, and in the view XML option, you can find the instance key over here. Instead of doing this way, we can have an keyboard shortcut which will do the exact work. So you have to hold Shift F8. If that combination doesn't work, then click simultaneously Shift function key and F8. That's it. You can just copy this key and then add it on to the product role. Check out the rule, scroll down. You'll find the individual instances to include. Just paste the key and mention the access group name. That's it. So you can check in and you can also preview this particular product role. At a high level, we have just shown you a keyboard shortcut which will be useful to find the instance key. I can have a different video for product role in a separate week. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching.